Oh, nice trout. Oh, it came off in the net. Oh yeah, nice trout. Heck yeah, guys. That's awesome. Let's put them on a stringer. Gosh, I love catching these trout. They are so fun to catch. All right, I got you. Gosh, you are strong. We're gonna try to measure him with this crappie measure. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, we'll keep him. He's big. He's really big. Must have hooked him in the mouth. Yeah, it hooked him right there. All right, guys. Heck yeah. Ooh. It's a big trout, I think. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, I felt hooked him. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. No, 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 no. Woo! Guys. Oh my goodness. Whew. This is my second day fishing in this spot over here, from our usual spot. Some thick grass flats. Oh my goodness. Guys, that's a big trout. Whoa, you're gonna make it worse, bro. Chill. Chill out, man. Gosh, I don't know how to... Could you flip over for me? Flip over. There you go. Perfect. This won't take long. Guys, this trout is huge. Look at the girth on that thing. All right, buddy, I'll let you go. All right. I guess I deserve that. It took a while to get him off the hook. Kept on getting hooked in the net. All right, guys. Wow. What is this? Please don't be a lady. I don't think it is. It's not going up to the surface. Come on, stay on. Stay on. What is that? It's a big old trout. Yep, it's a big old trout. Yes. Come here, son. Come here. I need to put my net on the other side. I'm about to break my arm to get it. Yes. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, looks good. We're not keeping any more trout, so I'll throw them back, just like that last one. But they're fun to catch, dude. They taste good. Alright, sit still. Barely hooked you. Hold on, sit right here for a second. Alright, buddy. Come on. I'll show you guys real quick. It's a pretty fish. Alright, there you go, buddy. Okay. yeah. Oh, I foul hooked him. Woo. Woo. Heck yeah, man. No! No! No!
What is it?
I think it's a small redfish. Yeah, it is. Heck yeah, son. Yeah. Heck yeah, guys. He jumped in my boat. See you all in a second. I'm gonna try to get him in the front. Guys, look at this. Caught a redfish pretty close to the bank. Got a big redfish on, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, get in the net, baby. Get in the net, baby. Get in the net, baby. Yes. Yes. Oh, we got him, guys. Whew. We got him. Oh, my dad just got one like 10 minutes ago. Heck yeah. I'm trying to be quiet because these fish are really spooky. Whew. Just got a nice redfish, guys. Heck yeah. Ah, heck yeah. Look at that, guys. Whew, yes. Yes. There's more in here too. I seen him hitting top water, so I just cast it right at him, and he hit it as I was reeling it into the boat, the kayak. Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. Let's see if I can get him off, and then we'll get back out there. Heck yeah, guys. I don't think he was coming off unless he just broke off. Heck yeah. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna get him put up and I'll see y'all in a minute. Heck yeah. Alright guys, there he is. Beautiful redfish. Cody, Cody, turn.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'll try to net him for you if I can get over there.
I can't see him. Yes! Yes! Oh, no, I got the brain.
You got it recording too?
Yes. Yes. Oh, finally. The curse has been broken.
See, I just missed one right before you got up.
Yes. Woo. He ain't as big as yours, but he's my biggest one I've caught.
Come over here, let me see him. He looked like a good one.
No.
It's kind of hard to catch on kayak.
I don't see how you net him at night. I couldn't see the thing.
Right here. Yeah.
I'll show you guys here in a minute. Alright guys, we just got back up here to the house. I wanted to show y'all the redfish I just caught in the boat, but I didn't want to drop him, man. I haven't caught one of these in a long time, and he's still very much alive. So we're gonna look at him here. I'll probably drop him, but I just want to show y'all if I can pick him up. His tail's stuck. Right. Look at that, guys. Look at that big old redfish. Whoa. He's huge.
Dragonfish.
Not as big as the one we put on our Instagram the other day, which y'all need to check out. But still very cool. He's not surfaced yet.
No, it's not like this thing, it's a redfish. Big redfish. Yeah, I think it is.
Come here, baby.
Huge redfish. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
I thought it was a shark. I didn't do this one. You didn't come on my leg. I thought it was a shark. That's the biggest one I've ever caught. Yeah. I didn't know it was that wrong. Yeah.